You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, are you confused? How do you pronounce that? Two different pronunciations in English, by the way. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. It's pronounced mopped. That's the past tense of the verb to mop, as in to clean the floor, for example, mopped. But this is also a lightweight motorbike. Moped is how it's pronounced in this case. So there are two different pronunciations for the same word. Mopped when it's the verb, moped when it's a noun. Easy once you know correct pronunciation in English, mopped or moped, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.